Okay, before you actually start creating a pipeline using Classic Editor, you should know that Microsoft has now deprecated working with Classic Editor. So if you have created a new organization, you will not find the option of working with Classic Editor. You will not find, after you create a new project, you will not find the option where you can see this, use the Classic Editor. By default will not be there. So what to do in case you want to use that option? Go to your organization settings, select the organization, go to organization settings, and in organization settings, under pipeline, go to settings, and by default you will see these options are enabled. You disable them. You have to disable these two options instead of keeping them enabled. Disable creation of classic build pipeline. Disable. You disable. That means now classic build pipeline and classic release pipeline will be supported. So this is very important step you'll have to perform. And of course, after this, you'll find all the required options to work with Classic Editor. So before you proceed to start creating your Classic Editor, make sure that you go to the organization in which you are working or creating your project and their settings and these two options.